Hi guys, today I have a tutorial on how I created this beautiful hive bun that was inspired by the hair bun I did on Jenny. First, I did blow dry my hair. I want to curl all of the hair. Even though it will be pinned up, we still want it to be nice and smooth. Next, we're going to section off the hair. So this is just a little bit behind the ear on both sides. And I went ahead and did 2 ponies. Now, typically, I leave hair in the back for my clients to cover the part. But honestly, it's not a big deal. It doesn't bother me. I did 2 ponies to secure this donut. If I only did 1 pony, it wouldn't be as big. I feel like 2 ponies on a shorter hair makes it really expand and is the perfect place to put a donut filler. I am now clipping in the extensions onto the mesh. I'm clipping them in just as if you would hair, clipping the mesh inside the clip. I'm doing a couple of rows on here to create that fullness, and I like that they're on the mesh and not so much on my hair. Now, before you come for me, these extensions do not match my hair. They match my ends, so I think it will be a good blend. Now, as I'm pinning the hair, I'm just worried about covering the hair at first and creating a balanced bun. And when I'm working with the bun or any hairstyle in general, I do the extensions first. The hair around the hairline, I leave to the very end. That way it's to my liking or to my client's liking. I do want to say it was a little hard to do this on myself. I can't see. This was also like 5 in the morning. So we're just pinning the hair and the pieces onto the mesh. This makes it so comfortable to wear throughout the day than just pinning it onto your hair. Now we're just recurling these pieces so that they're a little bit tighter. And I mean, so far it looks pretty good. This is my favorite part because this is where you see it coming together. I love the bang piece. It gives it so much volume. I didn't even tease it. I didn't have a teasing comb on me, but I did recurl these pieces, and this hair stayed on all day. Let me tell you, I didn't take it off till like 11 at night. So this is about 5, 6 a.m. and I had this style on for like ever, and it looks so good. I love it. Look at me. Hey.